Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison, and yeah, this is going to be my first time trying on contacts at all, period, and first time on colored contacts. So I always wanted, not that I don't love my brown eyes, they're a beautiful brown and I love my brown eyes, and I definitely wouldn't trade them in for any other color, but you know, you do your makeup just to change up a little bit, so I wanted to try some blue eyes. So yeah, I got these colored contacts from Siesta Concept, and the website is www.colorcl.com. This is what the box looks like, and yeah. So they're like $15 each, which the website, when I went to it, it was buy two get one free. So I went ahead and got the third color for free. So I'll talk a little bit about this before I start, but yeah, I got three different colors. Siesta Sky, which is in my eyes right now, and you will see a little clip of me putting these on, which I couldn't do actually on camera, but I'll talk about a little bit of how I did it. And then I got Green Apple, which I'm not going to be trying on in this video, but I will eventually in one of my videos. And then I got the Blanc Rose Pink. Well, there. And it comes with some lubrication. Some like, yeah, wedding lubrication. So, and before I get on to showing you the rest, I do have a sneak peek of a future giveaway I'm going. I'm getting pretty realistic now. I know it's not going to be my 2,000 subscriber giveaway, but eventually I will get there. But yeah, that's what I'm calling it, is my 2,000 subscriber giveaway. But I'll be pretty close. Two items that will be in it and that is on my face right now is the Becca First Light Priming Filter. And I also have on, and in the giveaway, this Laura Geller Nude Kisses Lip Hugging Lip Gloss in the color Beach Balm. So these are my two, but I do have two for one of you guys in my sneak peek of a future giveaway. That's in a past video. I will leave the card right here, so you can check it out. And I will also have it on a end card at the end of this video. But yeah, if you want to see me put on these colored contacts, then just keep on watching. Alright, so I haven't never really successfully put contacts on before, but yeah, so I got the Siesta Concept color contacts, and this is what the box looks like. Yeah, let's get on with it. So I got three different colors. I got the Siesta Sky Blue, and they look like that. And I got the Blanc Rose Pink, and I got Apple Green. And I'm going to try to put on the Siesta Sky Blue ones, just because that I wanted the blue colored contacts more than any of them. So I guess I'll just start with that one, which I mean, I'm only going to do one because yeah. And that's why you don't have, I don't have any makeup, because I heard if you get makeup in your eye, it could irritate it real bad. So yeah. It also came with this intense wetting and lubrication bottle. So the package opened up, and I was kind of worried. It did have its own little contact lens case, I guess is what you would call it. I already have my lubrication in there, so yeah. But I wanted to show you the contacts. They both come in different ones, and you do have options on the website to get like a prescription, I guess, but I got the 00, which I think means basically just for the color of them. No help with vision. I don't know. Alright, I just opened it up. I'm going to get a Q-tip to get my contacts out of the little carrying case it's in, because I heard that's easier than actually using your fingers or anything else. So we'll try that. It's pretty easy to pick up. Alright, so it's on the Q-tip. And I did wash my hands before starting this video. Now there's different ways I saw how to do this, but I saw one girl, she pinched it like this and just pulled her eye down and stuck it in there. So yeah, that's gonna be hard. Right, I'm gonna try a different way to do it by just the one finger method. See how that goes. Right, I might have to do this off camera because I can't do it. Alright, I did it, y'all. That's what it is looking like. I think it's in there. Kind of feels weird. You can notice the blue edge of it, like right through there. But that's the color difference. Pretty noticeable. Pretty cool. And that wasn't too hard. It actually took me like less than 5 minutes when I wasn't on camera trying to poke myself in the eyeball. I'm gonna try to do the other one on camera for you. So what I did with the other one, I actually used this stuff and put a drop in my eye. I think my eyes are a little too dry to just be able to apply with the solution. I think it needs to be lubricated for the contacts to actually stick. So yeah. So I just did one drop, and then I got my contact, and I did the little whole 2 finger method. No, I did the like tip of the finger method, where I put it right there on the tip like that. And then I pull down my eye and I kind of well, it didn't work out first try right there, but I kind of just put it at the bottom and stuck myself in the eye and kind of wiggled my eye around, and there it was. Okay, I'm going to have to try to do it off camera again because it's not happening on camera. Alright, I did it, y'all. So I have to put it on this finger right at the tip and have a drop or 2 of the solution in my eye before I try to put the contact in. And I have to look down at my mirror that's right down there. I have to like look down, do that, and that works the best for me. So this is what the eyes look like. Yeah! Alright, I'm going to go do my makeup and do my intro and outro. Whoop whoop. Alright, I hope you enjoyed that video. I really do love these colored contacts. They do cover up my brown eyes pretty well, I think. I don't have no comparison, but I think they look really freaking cool if you ask me. They're kind of comfortable. When you look at the corner, you kind of get a little bit blurry of vision, but maybe that's just because I'm not used to them yet, but I really like them. I just put them on. I've had them on for maybe 30 minutes, maybe a little bit more, but I am loving them so far. By the time you see this video, I will have more opinions on these contacts, so if you have any questions or comments, just leave them in my comment section below. But yeah, I will leave the link to these contacts in my description box below, so go check that out. And don't forget to watch my sneak peek of a future giveaway where I'm wearing these 2 items on my face today that will be on a future giveaway. And that is about it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you ever tried any of these contacts before from this brand, or if you have any recommendations of some good Halloween like costume contacts, because I have plans maybe buying colored, like more Halloweenish and more non-realistic contacts here in the future, maybe in October. So if you have any suggestions of contacts, like Halloween contacts that you've actually tried and love, leave them in the comments below. But yeah, hope you enjoy this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time, buddies. Bye!